Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2018 Kia Sportage, a beautiful red in color, has machined wheels, has fog lights, 2.4 liter engine, and 6-speed Sportmatic transmission. Take a look inside of this gorgeous looking Sportage. This is the EX Plus version. Has power windows, locks and mirrors, heated exterior mirrors. Only has 12,797 kilometers. It's one of our demo units. Steering wheel has the cruise control and the audio controls built right in, so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel. Radio is AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite. 3 months trial are included with the car. We have a dual zone climate control and also heated leather seats and a heated steering wheel. Down below we have auxiliary and USB ports, inputs for the radio. And we have four-wheel lock. For those of you who would like to go up to the mountains and do some skiing, it's an all-wheel drive vehicle. As I mentioned, we have heated leather seats in the front, and the driver's seat is power. And in the rear we have leather seats here. Plenty of room for your passengers to be totally comfortable back here. The car also comes with roof rails, so if you want to attach one of those Thule boxes or some kind of a device to hold your skis up there, it would work very well. And in the rear, plenty of room for suitcases. And of course, if you fold those seats down, then you have even more room for carrying stuff, should you have a lot of things to carry around. Again, this absolutely gorgeous 2018 Kia Sportage in scarlet red is located at West Coast Kia. We're about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. And of course, we're located in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. Drop by today.